Yesterday, I posted an inspirational video in another voice. Do tell me if you guys liked it or not. I am planning to continue the Golden Nugget series in the present voice I am talking to right now and launch more short inspirational videos in the future in that voice. Anyways, let's start with today's topic for the video, which is consciousness is the only reality. You might have heard this term again and again when reading Neville Goddard's lecture and watching manifestation videos. But what does it mean? What is consciousness? Consciousness is simply a state of being aware. You can refer to it as awareness. So, this statement, consciousness is the only reality, states that there is no past or future. Only this present moment exists. Your awareness, your state of being aware, is the only reality that exists. Whatever you are aware of is your reality. When you realize this, you will understand the reality creation principle. You will know about conscious manifestation. But you might be wondering that in the present moment, it is evident that I don't have my desire. Maybe you want a physical object and it is not in your possession right now. So, you will say, how can I become aware of having it right now? I can relate to what you are saying. I have been there and done that. The same questions that you faced appeared in front of me when I started to read and watch videos about this topic. But I didn't get any straight answers. After reading about the law and experimenting with it, I came to a point that dissolved many of my doubts. I will give you a straightforward answer to your doubt. You are wondering when you cannot see, touch, or feel it right now. Then how can you become aware of it? Well, there is one place where you can become aware of your desires, and that place is your imagination. You can become aware of anything and everything in your imagination. Your imagination is such a powerful creative tool that it will give you whatever you ask for. So, there exists a place where you can get aware of it. And since consciousness is the only reality, whatever you are aware of becomes your reality. Your imagination can create feelings within you. If you sit and imagine a beautiful scenario, your breathing pattern changes, and you feel calm, relaxed, and peaceful. On the other hand, if your imagination is filled with chaotic scenarios, your breathing pattern changes drastically. You feel insecure and unsafe, and your body starts responding differently. Let's say in your childhood, when you were just 4 or 5 years old, a woman apart from your mother or relative kissed you on your cheeks, and now that you are 28 years old, another woman apart from your mother or relative came and kissed you on your cheeks. Now, you feel very different from what you felt as a child. You know why? Well, it is because of your imagination. It is because of the way you imagined the two scenarios. So, you can see that your imagination can create different feelings within you, and your body will respond differently due to your imagination. It is all about your awareness. You become aware of something, and then it comes into your physical reality. Now you are aware of it every day, and it stays there. So, to bring something new into your reality, something that you desire, you must become aware of having it already by imagining it as yours. By doing it, you are making it your reality. This is why you hear that imagination creates reality. Imagination is everything. The only change you have to bring into your life is a change of mindset. Everything that you desire exists. You already have what you wanted. You can now have what you want right now. Just use your imagination and imagine the best scenarios in your life. Let go of the fear, doubts, and worries. When you imagine, your mind will start wandering. Your attention will waver, but you have to bring it back to your imagined scene again and again. When you are focused on something, it always grows and expands. So, bring your attention back again and again to your desired reality. This goes with every job you do. Now that our consumption of social media has disrupted us, our attention spans are now going down. Watching reels and other short-form content, and scrolling it every 10-15 seconds has lowered our attention span so much that we are unable to focus right now. But leave that and start becoming attentive. Stop multitasking and focus on one thing at a time. If you hear too many people talking at the same time, it will sound like gibberish. Therefore, focusing on one sound at a time will help you understand what another is saying. That is why you should always make it a habit to give your undivided attention to whatever you are doing, even if you are watching a video. Just watch it with your full attention. Manifestation is all about paying all of your attention to something new in your imagination. Your mind should be filled with ideas of living from the desired place of reality, where you already have your desires. You must become imaginative to the point that it changes the dominant feeling within you. You have to be determined and committed to the end result. Your new concepts of the desired reality should be such that your doubts and worries appear to be tiny as compared to your new state of being. Let your old self die. It only takes persistence and determination to achieve what you want in life. When you become persistent with the idea that I am my desired version, you will achieve everything you want. With this, I hope you learned something amazing. Subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.